Hello, hello, welcome. Happy Friday or not so happy Friday. We see the S&P 500 down over 2% today after the NFP numbers came out. They came out really good, and it scared the markets as it pertains to inflationary pressures and rates remaining elevated and so on and so forth, and the Fed moving into a hawkish stance, and we might even see a pause on any rate cuts or even a rate hike, as a matter of fact, right? We see VIX is at 19. Uh, when the VIX crosses above 20, that's not a good sign. Is a sign of a pullback. Couple sessions ago, I was talking about the bearish divergence that I was seeing in the S&P 500. It seems as though it's coming to effect. So the bearish divergence did appear and show. But on the brighter side, we are coming off of all-time highs. You know, I I said before it would have been a 1 to 3% pullback. It seems as though that's what it's going to be. Initial support for the S&P 500 seems around at the 7,340 level. So we're a couple percentage points from there. The momentum, it looks it's getting a bit exhausted. The Z-score SMA is looking exhausted at this point. RSI is getting there, but it's not quite there yet. So my bet, once the VIX stays below 20, my bet is that it holds at 73.40 before we make another move higher, towards again my target 81.50. On a medium term perspective, this is just all part of the market move. It's more noise than anything, because at this point, it's the S&P 500 is away from my key support levels on the medium term. So hopefully, these are one of the days where you just want the market to close as quickly as possible so it doesn't decline any further, right? But these sort of moves are all part of the motions of trading and investing in the equity market. So it's all part of it. Nothing to be too concerned about. Uh, the trend, my current trend direction is still bullish with a positive bias. Again, this is a medium term look that I have. So let's see what next week holds. Hopefully, the S&P 500 holds at the 7340 level and consolidates for a bit before it starts making another move higher. All right. So have a good weekend. See you at the next trading session. Cheers.